Army Chief of Staff General Ray Odierno spoke today at an Army Sexual Harassment and Assault Prevention Summit at Joint Base Andrews in Maryland. General-grade officers attended the summit. The influence of leadership on the sexual abuse problem was discussed.
Every soldier needs to understand what their role is. What is their battle drill to prevent this? What do they do to the left of the incident? What do they do when the incident occurs? And then what do you do after the incident occurs?
General Odierno said military leaders have to better understand what is happening. He also said protecting victims is the #1 priority, along with preventing offenders. That's your TPC News Update. I'm Staff Sergeant Chad Usher.